Hi, my name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone. www.koffeeone.com.au. Welcome back to our catalogue of videos on the Carimali multi. Today I'm going to present and demonstrate for you how to make a latte on this fabulous machine. You take your cup and you place it underneath the spout. You then select the latte button on your machine. The machine will automatically grind the coffee and pack it into your brewing unit, just as your favourite barista would do in your favourite cafe, and add it to the machine. You get your extraction initially. Then you get your milk. And the foam over the top. And you get one fantastic layered latte. And that's as difficult as it is for any staff member to go to the Carimali multi and produce themselves a latte beverage. My name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone.